Hey there, travelers. Whether you daydream of sun-soaked beaches or are enchanted by medieval towns, or always eager to discover hidden gems, we've got you covered. We will dive into 15 breathtaking European destinations that can fit into any of your dreams and definitely can be your next holiday destination. And stick around till the end, because as always, we'll share a special way to make your next trip seamless and stress-free. Our first pick, Sardinia, is Italy's wild child, a Mediterranean gem where rugged cliffs meet turquoise waters. Wander through the ancient village of Bosa, where colorful hillside houses line the Temo River. Home to some of the Mediterranean's most breathtaking beaches, Sardinia boasts the crescent-shaped Cala Luna, the rugged Cala Domestica, the secluded Cala Mariolu, and the UNESCO-protected Cala Goloritse, all with crystal-clear waters and dramatic scenery. Porto Flavia is a hidden engineering marvel on Sardinia's coast, carved directly into towering limestone cliffs. This abandoned mining port was built in the early 20th century, and now is a fascinating piece of industrial history. The real highlight is the breathtaking views of the Pan di Zucchero sea stack rising from the crystal-clear waters below. If Sardinia's raw beauty speaks to the wanderer in you, wait until you see the ancient wonder that is Matera. Matera, a place that feels like stepping back in time. Wander through the Sassi di Matera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with ancient cave dwellings carved into limestone cliffs, is like a labyrinth of history. These centuries-old homes have been transformed into charming hotels, cafes, and art galleries. You might recognize Matera's dramatic scenery. It was featured in James Bond's No Time to Die. For a stunning sunset view, climb to the Belvedere de Murgia Timon, offering panoramic vistas of Matera's stone skyline. From Matera's timeless charm, we drift off to the serene beauty of Kefalonia, Greece, an island that feels like a storybook that has come to life. Bask on the famous Myrtos Beach, where white limestone cliffs meet the brilliant turquoise sea. Mount Ainos, Kefalonia's highest peak, is a protected natural reserve with rare Greek fir forests and stunning Ionian Sea views. For an authentic Greek charm, visit Assos village, known for its pastel-colored houses and quaint tavernas. Leaving the gentle Ionian waves behind, we now sail westward to Minorca, Spain, a hidden Balearic island, blessed with pristine beaches and tranquil coves. Ciutadella, Menorca's historic gem, a scenic harbor town with rich blend of Moorish, Gothic, and Spanish influences. Esgrau, a charming coastal village in Menorca, is known for its unspoiled beach, and Albufeira des Grau Natural Park, a haven for birdwatchers and stargazers. Mayon, Minorca's capital, boasts one of the world's largest natural harbors, charming Georgian architecture, and a lively Mediterranean atmosphere. But Spain's treasures don't stop here. Let's take a step back in time in Cordoba, a city where Moorish grandeur meets fiery flamenco passion. The crown jewel is the Mesquita Cathedral, a breathtaking mosque cathedral with endless arches and intricate mosaics. Wander through the Juderia, Jewish quarter, where narrow cobbled streets lead to charming patios adorned with colorful flowers. The Roman Bridge of Cordoba glows at sunset, its ancient arches bathed in warm golden light, standing as a timeless link between past and present. And in the evening, immerse yourself in the raw energy of a flamenco show, Cordoba's soulful heartbeat. If you thought Cordoba's beauty was breathtaking, just wait until you experience the passion of Seville. In Seville, Spain, passion and tradition run deep. The Cathedral de Sevilla is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, renowned for its stunning architecture, and the iconic Giralda Tower. And don't miss the Plaza de España, where horse-drawn carriages circle a stunning fountain. The Triana Bridge elegantly spans the Guadalquivir River, connecting the city's vibrant heart with the historic Triana district. From Seville's fiery spirit, we venture into a land where old meets new, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Discover charming towns and scenic countryside in this beautiful Balkan country. Walk across the Stari Most Bridge in Mostar, an Ottoman-era masterpiece, or explore the Krivika waterfalls, where you can swim in emerald pools surrounded by forest. Visit Sarajevo's Beščaršija district for a taste of authentic Bosnian cuisine. From the breathtaking landscapes of Bosnia and Herzegovina, we journey to the sun-kissed shores of the Adriatic. Welcome to Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik is often called the Pearl of the Adriatic, where ancient walls and shimmering seas create fairy tale scenery. Walk along the city walls, offering stunning views of the Adriatic coastline. Explore the old town's limestone streets, lined with Baroque churches and charming cafes. For a breathtaking sunset, take the cable car to Mount Surge. Visit in the shoulder season, April to May, or September to October for fewer crowds. From Dubrovnik's storybook charm, we now set sail for a land of towering fjords and Arctic wonders, the Lofoten Islands. The Lofoten Islands in Norway are nothing short of a dream, where nature reigns supreme. Explore rugged fjords, dramatic mountain peaks, and idyllic fishing villages. Witness the northern lights dancing across the night sky, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Visit in late autumn or early spring for the best chance of seeing the auroras. From Norway's icy fjords, we head south to the sun-drenched streets of Valletta. Malta's capital, Valletta, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a Baroque masterpiece. Walk the narrow limestone streets, adorned with colorful balconies. The view of the three cities from Valletta offer a glimpse into Malta's rich maritime history, creating a timeless Mediterranean scene. And explore the Upper Baracca Gardens, offering panoramic views of the Grand Harbor. The Siege Bell War Memorial in Valletta honors the fallen of World War II, offering a solemn tribute with panoramic views of the Grand Harbor. From Malta's Baroque beauty, let's head to a city that surprises everyone, Ljubljana, Slovenia. Ljubljana, a fairy tale city brimming with charm and elegance. Stroll along the Ljubljanica River, where pastel-colored buildings and lively cafes create a postcard-perfect scene. Cross the famous Dragon Bridge, guarded by 4 magnificent dragon statues, the city's iconic symbol for breathtaking views. Take the funicular to Ljubljana Castle, offering panoramic vistas of the red-roofed Old Town. Tromostovje, or the Triple Bridge, is Ljubljana's iconic landmark, featuring 3 elegant stone bridges, connecting the old and modern city over the Ljubljanica River. From the fairy tale land of Slovenia, we make our way to a city that has stood the test of time, Marseille, France. Welcome to Marseille, a vibrant port city where history meets Mediterranean charm. Stroll through the Vieux Port, meaning Old Port, lined with colorful boats and bustling seafood markets. Explore the Basilique Notre-Dame de la Garde, offering panoramic city views. And discover Calanques National Park, where rugged cliffs meet sparkling blue coves. For an authentic experience, enjoy a bouillabaisse, Marseille's iconic seafood stew. From Marseille's sun-drenched shores, let's hop over to a city straight out of a medieval fantasy. Krakow, Poland. We venture into the heart of Poland, where history and charm converge. Wander in the medieval Old Town, where St. Mary's Basilica and the Cloth Hall stand as timeless icons. Visit Wawel Castle, a symbol of Poland's royal heritage and one of the country's most important historic sites. Perched atop Wawel Hill, this grand fortress was home to Polish kings for centuries. For an off-the-beaten-path experience, head to Poland's oldest monastery, Tyniec Abbey, also Poland's first Benedictine monastery, perched on a cliff above the Vistula River, offering breathtaking views and a peaceful retreat from the city's bustle. Leaving the medieval streets of Krakow behind, we arrive in Tartu, Estonia, a 2024 European Capital of Culture. Tartu, Estonia's cultural and intellectual heart, is a charming city where history meets youthful energy. Stroll along the Emajogi River, perfect for scenic sunset views. Its old town is a delightful blend of classical architecture, cobbled streets, and cozy cafes. At its core stands the University of Tartu, founded in the 17th century. It is one of Northern Europe's oldest and most prestigious universities. And now to the final destination of our top 15 best European destinations is a country that is still one of Europe's best kept secrets. Albania, where rugged mountains meet unspoiled beaches. Explore the Albanian Riviera, where crystal clear waters and hidden coves rival Greece's finest. Hike through the accursed mountains, offering breathtaking alpine scenery and quaint villages. And don't miss Gjirokastër, a UNESCO-listed stone town with Ottoman-era charm. Be sure to visit Gjirokastër Castle, which houses a fascinating military museum. For a serene beach escape, visit Zemil. Its white sands and blue lagoons are perfect for a tranquil getaway. Thanks for being with us till here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we have more such content just around the corner. Now that we've explored these trending European destinations, you're probably eager to start planning your next adventure. But let's be honest, navigating new cities, booking tours, and waiting in endless queues can be a hassle. That's where we come in. We have carefully curated the best experiences for these locations so that you can skip the line and have your time. To make your travels smoother, check the links in the description and explore the top-rated tours and activities. Which of these destinations are you looking forward to exploring next? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep wandering and keep dreaming.